Alright guys, it's Jamie and Aaron here from Bar Monkey and welcome to our first session online. So what's going to happen in this session today is that hopefully we're going to show you guys some stuff that you can get involved in to stay active, and hopefully your parents and stuff can get involved as well. So before you start, it's just important that you're conscious of the safety and your environment. So this will be more for your parents to make sure that the space you're in is suitable for the exercises that we try and show you now in a bit. We will try and be as conscious ourselves of space as possible and try and show you alternatives as we're progressing through the exercises. Alright? Okay, so first game we're going to go through is traffic cones. So what happens is I will have a green cone and a red cone. You guys are going to follow along with this at home as well. And what happens is Aaron is going to be the person at home taking part. So he's going to have to start jogging on the spot first. And if I put up green, he's going to do jumping jacks. When I put red, he has to stop. When I put green up, he's back doing jumping jacks. Stop. Green. Stop. Okay, so does that make sense for you guys at home? Hopefully it does. Simple enough. This is the first one we're going to start with. So you ready, Aaron?
Yeah.
Sure?
I think so.
Are you excited, Aaron?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, jump jack! Stop! Alright, good. Okay, so that's going to be the first exercise. Next one he's going to have to do is high knees. So he's going to try to tap. You ready?
2 legs same time or 1 leg?
2 legs same time. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Alright, go. Okay, so now you're going to jog high knees. Okay. So you're not going to try and jump, it's jogging. Go. Go. Stop. Alright, well done, fit.
Okay.
Good job, lad. Do you want to switch?
Nah, I'm not going to talk it.
Okay, so next version that we're going to do now, this time with Aaron, is he's going to be jogging on the spot again. But this time for you guys at home, when we do green, you're going to have to do a crazy statue. Okay, so you're going to have to do the funniest statue that you can think of. You ready, Aaron?
No.
Guys, you have to jog on the spot. Off you go, get them arms going, Aaron.
It's just, yeah, I'm just doing this for content.
I love it.
Oh, there isn't it?
No, you said
Right. Let me think, I didn't do it.
Right, so this version of traffic cones that we're going to do, if you're at home, you have to jog on the spot. When we throw up green, because I want you to do the craziest statue that you can think of. Alright? Aaron, are you ready?
No.
Okay, so Aaron, jogging on the spot. Back up, Aaron, jogging on the spot. Off you go, mate. Get that jog going.
So fast.
Keep it going, Aaron. Alright, go. Jog it up, mate. Okay, you're going to switch now. Parents, it's your turn to come up with a crazy statue.
Yeah. Fine, start jogging now. Right, go again. Last one.
Back up.
Statue.
Right, so you're going to have to vote which ones you liked more, Jamie's or Aaron's?
In the comments.
In the comments.
I'm gonna live it.
Okay, so next one is Bar Monkey Says. So obviously it's going to be similar to games we played before. What happens is I say Bar Monkey Says and I'm going to try and catch Aaron out. So if I say Bar Monkey Says balance on 1 foot, Aaron will have to try and balance on 1 foot. If I say squat, Aaron squats. Ah! Tricked him. Alright, so I'm going to see how long it takes me before I catch Aaron out. You guys at home, try the same thing. Alright, so parents, you can go first. You can try and see how long it takes before the kids get caught out and then switch jobs. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Bar Monkey says jog on the spot. Bar Monkey says sit down. Bar Monkey says go on your belly. Bar Monkey says on your back. On your belly.
Love it.
Bar Monkey says squat. Bar Monkey says jump in the air. Lie down. Bar Monkey says balance on one foot. Bar Monkey says touch your elbow. Bar Monkey says pretend you're on the phone.
Nope.
Bar Monkey says squat. Oh, on one leg.
Yeah, mate.
Bar Monkey says go on your belly.
Thanks, mate.
Bar Monkey says on your back. Third. Ah! Alright, I couldn't get Aaron.
Right, my turn.
Gonna switch.
Right, Bar Monkey says walk a little bit closer to the camera. Bar Monkey says put your finger in your nose. Slide your nose. Right, take it away. Ah! Straight away. Kids win again.
Right, let's go again. Bar Monkey says hands on your ears. Bar Monkey says one hand on your eye. Bar Monkey says hands on your shoulders. Head. Bar Monkey says hands on your head. Hands on your shoulders. Bar Monkey says head on your shoulders. Bar Monkey says hands on your shoulders.
It's a head.
Bar Monkey says hands on your knees. Toes. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Bar Monkey says toes. Bar Monkey says straighten your legs. Bar Monkey says head. Hands on your head. Bar Monkey says do a spin. Bar Monkey says jump and spin. Bar Monkey says spin the other way. Alright, couldn't trick you, mate. Alright, round two.
Right, take your shoe off. Bar Monkey says take your shoe off. Bar Monkey says pick it up and hold it beside your face. Bar Monkey says smell your shoe. Bar Monkey says smell your shoe.
Done.
All the way in, Bar Monkey said.
No, you didn't. You
Right,
just
put
said
it
all the way.
down. Put it down. Ah! I got to again. It's too easy.
Good job, mate.
Good
Good game. Okay, so next one, you're going to use a coin, okay? So go get yourself a coin and you're going to flip the coin to heads or tails. If it lands on heads, you have to lie down on your front. If it lands on tails, you have to lie down on your back and the first person down wins. Alright?
So which one's which?
So head, if you get heads on the coin, you lie down on your front. If you get tails, you lie down on your back. First person down wins.
Yeah, right out of there. Ready?
Alright? Okay.
So heads is belly, tails is back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Start on the floor.
No.
Alright.
Head. Do one. Find out. Find out afterwards. Or you can flip it this time. Don't, not at me.
Wait for a side isn't?
Right, done again. See that right? Fast in the back. Last one. Can. Champion. Okay, so we're going to show you guys some challenges now that you can do with each other, okay? So parents and kids can obviously get involved in this. First one we're going to do between me and Aaron is so you can balance on one leg the longest. We want you guys to vote underneath who you think's going to win while you're watching. Alright, so we're going to give you a second to decide that. You ready, Aaron?
Yeah.
Right, so we're back with this. So.
Oh, cheating there, lads, eh?
Are you ready?
Look at you, Charlie. Right, go.
Any power shot?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, is that a wobble?
No.
Oh, you're on the way out, mate. Oh, your legs way.
Wow, nice.
Ah, look! Oh, he's gone.
Yeah.
He did look, mate. Sorry. Oh, he's gone. Team no calves there.
Oh, you fell there.
Yeah, scared you.
Yeah, I just got that all day.
Nah, you're gone, like, you can't even keep your legs straight. Look at that wobble. Oh, you're gone. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. You look at Mantis, man. Watch your hands.
Trying to get
Oh, here. What are you doing?
That's tough, like.
That's ridiculous, like.
Oh. That's tough, like.
Round one to Jamie. You better vote for me. Alright, so next thing we're going to try and do in our challenge section is bear crawl chasing. So it's going to be me against Aaron. This for you guys, we're going to have two versions, okay, because it will depend on the space that you guys have. So me and Aaron will try to go around in a square. If you don't have a square or enough space to use a square setup, you can try and go backwards and forwards. So we will show you both, but me and Aaron are going to demo the square one first. So it's me v Aaron.
Half square or full?
Just use the two. So what happens is if you're setting up a square, you're chasing each other. So Aaron's trying to tag me, but we both have to go in the same direction. So Aaron's coming this way to try to catch me. I'm going that way to try and catch him. And then we have lines here, so you keep your hands inside the lines, but your feet outside. Alright? Aaron, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, you count it in then.
Alright, right, 3, 2, go!
Yes! Johnny. Okay, so I won that round. So the next version, if you haven't got enough space to make a square, you can just go up straight and back in a line. So we'd have space in front of us, but we would say if you don't have enough of a wide enough area to do that. So me and Aaron would be here, and we would just race going forward to try and get up to a certain line that you guys will set up at home. Just get our second one.
Which one?
Cheater! Okay, so those would be your two setups for bear crawl chasing. Try and have some fun with them. Okay, so then another challenge for you guys would be crab races. So me and Aaron are going to show you guys that one. So if we go down to this end of the room, so we're going to start back here. So you're going to try and face this position, so your hands behind you, hips up off the floor, and then it's a race to try and get up to the line. You guys can set the distance at home, how far away you want to make it. 3, 2, 1, Alright, so another challenge we have is that we will do plank claps. So kids and parents down together, and you're going to see how many claps you can get before one of you drops to the floor. Alright, so me and Aaron go down here, and then it's opposite hands that you're trying to get to clap. So elbows on the ground, opposite hand, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so you guys get the idea. Try that one at home. Alright guys, so that's the end of our first online session. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you were able to take part in everything. And obviously if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for joining in.